Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Actually, I'm making this video because I have written a code in C++ for making my new most AI named Valiant, and this is just a part of it. Actually, it's a very long code, but I am showing just a little bit part of it so that I can just give a little bit means I can showcase this code. So as you can see here, as as it is mentioned here, after the double slash valiant AI, that it has ultimate super intelligence, and as the feature it has master of all knowledge, domains, AI research, infinite learning, and self optimization. And you can see that there is no error in this code, it is whole correct. And also it has the knowledge of physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, mathematics, medicine, astronomy, computer science, cybersecurity, quantum mechanics, AI and robotics, energy science, psychology, economics, philosophy, history, linguistics, art and design, gaming, AI, fashion, defense and strategy, aerospace, nanotechnology, and cryptography as well. And it also learns everything and stores knowledge. As you can also see here, that it has its own memory file named Valiant underscore knowledge underscore base.txt. As you can also see uh, that it can conduct unlimited research in anything that I can say to it. And also it can, as you can see here, uh, as you can see here, that I have written that it can optimize and enhance its own intelligence, means self upgrade. And here and here you can also see that I have written integrate ultimate knowledge and research capability into Valiant, means it can do ultimate knowledge and research capabilities into itself. And nothing is wrong in it is whole correct. There is no error in this syntax at all. And you can also see here that as I have also written here, uh, autonomous hardware and robotics self integration. And as the feature, it has AI designing hardware, self build robotics, automatic AI integration into machine. And after that you can see here the AI power hardware design word generate AI hardware blueprint, as you can see it here only. And it can also manufacture its own robotic body, and it can also install itself into robot, and it can also enhance and evolve its robotic hardware also. And it can also do self replication and expands to other devices as well, as you can see here. And it's the and in this video I'm going to show it here only. And as you can see here, it can also um, operate best quality on autonomous creation with a single command only, means as feature it has execution of complex tasks with a single command, ensures optimal condition results. And also um it can do multi-step execution with a single command, as you can see I have written here. So for this video, this much only. Thank you, goodbye, have a nice day ahead.